Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into my JaguarPC hosting review for 2025. If you've been hunting for affordable hosting that still delivers solid performance, reliability and support, JaguarPC is one of those providers that's been around for a while, but doesn't always get the spotlight it deserves. So let me take you through my story of testing it, the features that stood out, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth your money in 2025. First impressions. When I first stumbled on JaguarPC, what caught my eye was the price. Their basic shared hosting plan starts at around $2.99 per month, cheaper than a cup of coffee. But affordability alone doesn't cut it in hosting, right? What really made me curious was that even at this price, they throw in things like SSD storage for faster speeds, free SSL certificates, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. That gave me confidence to give them a shot. Features that matter. As I started exploring JaguarPC, I noticed they cover the basics well, but also provide enough depth for more advanced users. You can choose from shared hosting, VPS, dedicated servers, and even managed cloud hosting. For beginners, the shared plan is easy to use with cPanel access and one-click installers for WordPress or Joomla. But for businesses or developers, you can scale up to VPS or dedicated servers with SSH access, multiple operating systems, and staging environments. The flexibility really stood out to me. Performance and speed. Now, let's talk performance. Honestly, this was better than I expected for such low pricing. SSD storage keeps sites loading quickly. Their global data centers mean you can pick a location closer to your audience, and if you scale up, you get access to caching options and more powerful resources. During my testing, page load speeds were consistent, and uptime hovered right around their 99.9% guarantee. Not the absolute fastest in the industry, but very reliable for small to medium websites. Security and peace of mind. One thing I always look for is how seriously a host takes security. With JaguarPC, even on affordable plans, you get free SSL certificates and firewall protection. On higher tiers, you get DDoS protection, daily backups, and malware scanning. So whether you're just running a personal blog or managing client websites, you get that extra layer of peace of mind. Support experience. Customer support is where many budget hosts fail, but JaguarPC does surprisingly well. They offer 24/7 live chat, phone support, email tickets, and even a knowledge base for DIY problem solving. I tried out their live chat, and the response time was pretty quick. The agent seemed knowledgeable, not just reading from scripts. That's something I really value. Pros and cons. Narration style. After using JaguarPC, here's what I think. On the plus side, it's affordable, reliable, with a strong uptime record, and comes with free SSL, SSD storage, and free website migration. Their scalability makes it easy to grow from shared hosting up to VPS or dedicated servers without a headache. On the downside, renewal prices are definitely higher after the first term, which is something you need to plan for. Also, the entry-level shared hosting can feel limited if you're running a high-traffic or resource-heavy site. It's perfect for small to medium projects, but not the best fit if you're building the next Amazon. Final verdict. So, is JaguarPC worth it in 2025? I'd say yes, especially if you're looking for affordable hosting with reliable performance, decent support, and enough room to grow. It's not the fanciest or fastest host on the market, but for small businesses, personal blogs, or even freelancers managing a few client sites, JaguarPC delivers great value. If you're considering making the switch, it's worth checking out their plans and seeing if the balance of price, features, and support works for you. Thanks so much for watching my JaguarPC Review 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss more hosting reviews and comparisons. Drop a comment below with your experience using JaguarPC. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy hosting.